Peace and love. Sending you all positive energy, high vibes, success on your entrepreneurship, all love, all positivity. Angel number 000 on the clock. Sending you all love. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You hit the like button and you leave me any comments or any questions or any requests in my description below, and I'll be glad to assist you. Today, I'm going to be speaking about the spiritual meaning of roosters and what is it symbolic to when you receive a rooster on your spiritual journey. Now, once we have the understanding of universal love, we have the understanding that we are all interconnected. The animal kingdom, the plant kingdom, and the celestial beings. We are all here on this universe, co-creating. And once we start off on our spiritual journey, we receive guidance from the spirit animals. And they send us messages, fix my score. They send us messages through the spirit animals, also through other people, through dreams, intuitive nudges, impulses. And once we tune in to have that self-awareness, we're able to receive the guidance. Okay, so if a rooster comes along on your path, this is a direct message from the ancient ancestors or whoever you may call on to hold your head up high. Have that self-confidence and that self-pride, that encouragement, and that self-love overflowing, embodying that self-love. Also expressing it outwards, loving yourself from your crown to your feet, externally and also internally. Having that self-confidence, that mental and physical strength. Having that faith in your projects from the heart, in your aspirations, in your dreams, in your whole being, the whole essence of yourself, your individuality, your I am status, and being stoic, having that great confidence about yourself, unapologetic. This is the energy of courage to lead with passion. 333 on the clock. So when you see the spirit animal rooster, this is symbolic to being social, love to lead, also having a balanced ego and confidence about yourself, having pride, having courage. You have protection, nurturing, brave, observant, honest, strength, great luck, good fortune, good prosperity, enhancing your strength. Also, roosters are symbolic to being sacred, and it's worship in Japan with a sacred goddess. Also, in China, they use roosters for courage, talent, and self-confidence. In French, roosters are used for bravery and courage. Also, good luck, faith, and justice. Roosters are also symbolic to fertility, also great pride. I'm noticing a lot of nationality have the meaning of roosters for being brave. Now, roosters is symbolic to being watchful, also great protectors, and their crowing is done to symbolize the rising, the morning. Once they crow at night, it's a sign of protection, also danger. So they have that animal instinct of protection. They only crow at night when they feel like they need that animal instinct of protection and something is not going so good. Now, as we look at the spirit animal color vibration, we always want to tune into the color vibration because it tells us the energy of the spirit animal by the color vibration. So I saw specifically a red and black and orange rooster. Angel number 616 on the clock. That is symbolic to divine protection, guidance, and love. Knowing that you have the ancient ancestors or whoever you might call on protecting you on your path. Even if you might seem like you're alone, you're not. They are here. They are protecting, guiding, and loving you and transmitting positive energy and love throughout the heavens for you. They want you to feel like you are love and you are capable of manifesting whatever you want to manifest. You are capable of having that power and that strength through all transformational times. You're going to make it through the trials and tribulations and the obstacles. And they sending you the spirit animal rooster because roosters are very brave, strong, and have that courage. Also, rooster can be too egotistic. So you always want to make sure that you are confident within yourself. But you are expressing yourself out of a balanced ego and not too egotistic, okay? Once you have that imbalanced ego, you operate out of your head. Our heads always leads us into the wrong places. But once we operate out of the harmonizing field, the heart opens us up to universal love. And it guides us in all the right places. And I always tell individuals, it's great to have that cup and have that cup overflowing with love. Tell yourself how beautiful you are, how beautiful your vehicle are, how beautiful everything about your existence is. And never think negative about you because you are what you think. Love every scratch, every wound on your body, and just know once you have that confidence, you have that faith, you have that drive and that ambition and that courage, that you are true to yourself. You are true to your individuality. And that's when others will then be true to you. You always have to be true to yourself and know that you are worthy. You are worthy. You are loved. You are deserved. And you can bring forth anything that you want to bring forth into your reality. You are beautiful. You are strong. You are limitless. And you are powerful. 1010 was just on the clock. Tell yourself that every day if you have to. And don't let no one tell you different. You can do anything you put your mind to. You can create anything you want to create. And you can bring forth anything that you want to bring forth in your reality. So always know that you are not walking alone on your path. You have so much power and so many ancient ancestors backing you from the heavens above. They are telling you to proceed on your soul mission with pride, with confidence, with purpose, and with love. No matter the external experiences of negativity and low vibrating vibes. We're all going to have them. But continue to operate out of love. Continue to focus on nothing but the positive. Focus on your passion from the heart and your ascension and your creative abilities. And operate out of unconditional love. Because everything that you're working on is going to be successful for you. And once you operate out of unconditional love, even if you're receiving bad vibes and not so good external experiences, everything is going to rise to its highest heights for you. Because anytime we focus on positivity, my left eye blinking, and we continue to operate out of love no matter what, we continue to be light, and we continue to walk on our path with pride, with courage, with strength, and with power. Even if we feel like we're alone, we're going to be compensated. We're going to be provided for. Always be familiar with that. So there's nothing wrong with loving yourself and being prideful and having courage and being brave. It takes a powerful person to stand up for who they are. To be that rebel. And that rebel with positivity and unconditional love. But that I am status of self-confidence about yourself. There's nothing wrong with that. And I believe every living being and every living thing should hold that energy. It should not be taken away from us. And we should not let no one interrupt us being exactly who we are, and us having that confidence about ourselves, and continue to flow with that self-love and confidence. So as we think of the the color vibration, red is symbolic to passion, drive, courage, individuality, accessing the fire we have within us. Black is symbolic to protection, strength, power, courage as well. Okay. Orange, 432 hertz, which is on the clock. I always say 432 hertz. Orange is symbolic to having that self-confidence, not overindulging. 444. I think of color orange as being a high vibrational color. Okay. I always think of harvest. I think of the Indians. Also, I think of Halloween, the witches, the shamans, the healers, the light workers, the ancient ancestors, the divine spirit, goblins and ghosts and children, and high vibrating energy. When I think of Halloween, think of that mystical energy. Okay, so we want to make sure that we have that balance. Oh, I have on orange fingernail polish. We have that balance, self-esteem. We are not overindulging in anything, and we are tapping into the creative abilities. We think of orange, we think of creativity as well. So we assess our creative abilities and start to bring them into the forefront. Okay, I always like to let you know what was resonating with me at the time of seeing my spirit animals. Now, I saw my spirit animal yesterday after I came out of the library. I saw her. She was a pretty red, black, and orange. I started to connect with her, feed her. She wasn't afraid of me at all. She started to connect with me. And she didn't run away. She kept coming to me as I was talking to her, connecting with her, and feeding her. And turn around today. I went into the library today, and she was actually standing at the same spot I saw her at. And she actually was crowing for me. So I connected with her again. I also fed her again, and I was like, I had to know the energy of what the ancient ancestors are sending me. Okay, I knew that it was the ancient ancestor, so I took a lot of pictures, and I was like, wow, this is great energy. So yesterday I actually made my feather necklace, as you can see. And I was like, wow, the rooster came to me yesterday, and I made this necklace yesterday. But I actually started to collect feathers a couple months ago, actually. But every time I go somewhere and I see feathers, I always collect them. And I put my cleaning and my essential oils on them, and I make beautiful things out of feathers. I love them, and they are powerful. They are a sign for protection, love, guidance, clarity, and power as well. So I love feathers. So also, when we think of red roosters, they are symbolic to masculine energy, and they attract hens. Okay, so I always be familiar with that, but I felt like she was a divine feminine energy, and she was very pretty. So I always be familiar. Once you see the spirit animal rooster, tap into your powers. Know that you are strong, you are limitless, you can do anything you put your mind to. I had to say that again. And you are a beautiful being. Continue to move forward on your soul mission, and know that you are protected, you are guided, and you are loved. And when we think of the color vibration red, that is the energy of the root chakra. To feel safe and secure, to live freely, and to know that you are provided, you are taken care of, and you are also protected. So proceed on your journey with greatness and be fearless. I love you all. I'm sending you all powerful energy, all positive energy, and I'll be back with more 1919 on the clock. I love you all. Peace and love.